Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Students of class 5, how are you everyone? I think all are fine, all are fit and fine. So students, as well as yesterday, there was exercise about chapter 39, the landmarks of the world. I hope students you all have understood that chapter. And now today I am here with the next chapter, chapter number 40. Okay, as you can see in this page number. And this chapter is about the interesting places. Means today again we have this very interesting chapter. Okay, and in the chapter we are getting to know and read about the interesting places name with the pictures. ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं ये इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेसेस जो हैं कौन कौन सी हैं. एंड द पेज नंबर वी हैव टुडे 46. Okay, so let's start now. Identify the following interesting places of the world. First of all, you have to just identify to these interesting places which are of the world. Okay, and write their names, and then you will write down their names below to these. Take help from the clues given in the box, and then you have to just take from this box. Okay, this from this help box. So let's start it from here. First is about the chocolate hills. Second, hills of crosses. Next, the great blue hole. Next, the pink lake. Next, Easter Island. Next one, the door to hell. Next, Niagara Falls. Next one, the mysterious holes. And next, Bermuda Triangle. Next, the red beach. And the next interesting place is the fairy pools. And the last one is called the glow-worm cave. So students, whatever names are here, these all are not in sequence. Means you have to just write down the names according to their pictures. So I think we should start now. See there, we have the pictures also. All the interesting pictures are there. So first picture, we will move to the first picture. It's the first one. So you can see it is called interesting place. Why is it called? We will also talk about that. And it's called Niagara Falls. Okay, Niagara Falls. You can see the waters are just falling into the sea, and it is called Niagara Falls. And next, see there. First of all, there are island. There is a picture of islands, and this island is called Easter Island. Niagara Falls. Let me show you the spelling. Niagara, Niagara, Falls. That's called Niagara Falls. Next, we have some islands, like you can see, first, second, third, fourth, 5. Okay, continuously we are getting the 5 islands there, and it is called about Easter Island, and it's also called an interesting place. Easter means as well as it's made by East. Okay, East, Easter, Island, Easter Island. And the third interesting place is about, see there in this picture, it is called the Bermuda Triangle. What's the name of this interesting place? The Bermuda Triangle. Spelling of Bermuda you can say Burmeda, and as well as triangle about you know well. Okay, students. And now we will move to the next one. See there, students, it's looking very horrible and even mysterious also. See there, there's something, and inside this there's a big hole, and that is called means this interesting place is called the mysterious hole. इसको mysterious hole कहा गया है, means रहस्यमयी hole. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ ऐसी mysterious things हैं, कुछ ऐसी रहस्यमय चीज़ें हैं. ओके, एंड फॉर दैट इट इज़ कॉल्ड द मिस्टीरियस होल, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इन वेयर, इन इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू वांट टू नो दैट वेयर are these situated, or where are they, so you have to just find out this one. And if you want, so you can write down the places name even also with these names. ठीक है, आप तो places name भी write कर लेंगे. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट है, सी देयर स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर हैविंग दी हिल्स. यहाँ देखिए, ये सारे क्या हैं? ये सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हिल्स हैं. ठीक है, एंड and that's why it is called, the name of this interesting place is Hills of Crosses. Hills of Crosses. यहाँ देखिए hills हैं जो कि एक दूसरे से क्रॉस हुए हैं, मीन्स they are looking or they are in so much quantity. Hills of Crosses. It's also very interesting place. And the next and the most interesting thing is about the door to hell. Is this word given in there? Yes. यहाँ देखिए the door to hell. Hell, हेल आपको पता है, जिसको यहाँ पे बोलते हैं स्वर्ग बोलते हैं, नर्क बोलते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये कौन सी प्लेस है? ये एक ऐसा डोर है, ओके, जिसको क्या क्या कहा गया है कि हेल में जाने का डोर है, मीन्स जिसको नर्क कहा जाता है, नर्क का डोर, ठीक है। दी डोर टू हेल. It's also very interesting place. So these are here, and remaining we have on next page number 47. So let's come with me on page number 47. देखिए यहाँ पेज नंबर 47 है, ठीक है। So we have some more interesting places. Come on the next one, 7th one. See there, it's also looking like hills. And friends, do you know what is the name of these hills? What is interesting name? Yes, it is called Chocolate Hills. क्या कहा गया इस हिल को? चॉकलेट हिल्स, मीन चॉकलेट का पहाड़, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट देखिए, नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, येस वी आर हैविंग द 3 कलर्स, फर्स्ट पिंक, सेकेंड लाइट स्काई वी हैव, और नेक्स्ट इन मिडिल वी हैव वाइट एंड रेड आर दीज, बट द नेम ऑफ दिस इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस इज कॉल्ड पिंक लेक. क्या कहा गया इसको? पिंक लेक, ठीक है। पिंक लेक के नेम से इसको कॉल किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट है, यहाँ देखिए, दैट इज लुकिंग अ पुल, एंड दिस पुल इज ऑल्सो कॉलिंग विद अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग नेम, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड फेरी पुल्स. दी फेरी पुल्स. फेरी आपको पता है, जो कि परियों की पुल होती है, ठीक है, परियाँ जो होती हैं, मीन्स दी फेरी पुल्स मीन्स वी कैन से देयर the fairy lives in the pools. That's why it's called. Or sometimes someone would saw there any type of fairy. That's called, it is the fairy pools. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका जो है वो क्या है, यहाँ देखिए, केव मीन्स ये इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ केव एंड इट्स कॉल्ड द ग्लो वॉर्म केव. ये कैसे केव कहे गए हैं? द ग्लो वॉर्म केव, ठीक है. A very warm cave it is called, and it's also an interesting place, the glow warm cave. Okay students, next one is called the glow warm cave, ठीक है. Come on the next one. Students, see there, you can see there's a hole, okay, and these all are just looking in blue, and that's why this interesting place is called the Great Blue Hole. क्या कहा गया है? द ग्रेट ब्लू होल, ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस है आपका, जो कि हम देख सकते हैं, विच आर इन रेड, ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द रेड बीच. द रेड बीच, रेड बीच नेम से इस इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस को कॉल किया गया है. Okay, so students, these are your interesting places. So if you want that where are these situated, you just have to find out and write down with this. Try to get some more things about it. First, interesting place about Niagara Falls. Next, Easter Island. Next, the Bermuda Triangle. Next, you have the Mysterious Hole. Next one, Hills of Crosses. And the sixth one, you have the Door to Hell. And after that, next was the Chocolate Hills, Pink Lake, the Fairy Pools. Next, the Glow Warm Cave, the Great Blue Hole, and next one, the Red Beach. So students, now these are your today's exercise about the interesting places where we got the different types of very interesting like the lake, hills, pools, beach, okay, or holes. Hope students you all have understood. So it's your work to complete this exercise in your book. Okay, so let's complete it and revise it also. Next day again I'll come with the next exercise. So students, now thank you, have a good day.